Select a layer in Affinity Photo, go to Filters, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Don't blur it completely, just go for about 20, 22, etc. Click Apply. Then go to the Channels panel. You can find that with View menu, Studio and Channels. Go to Composite Red. Go to Filters, Colors and Emboss. Drag across the screen and you can interactively change this, rotation, radius, etc. You can't change the amount that way, but just change it that way if you want via the sliders. Click Apply. Then go to Composite Green, go to Filters, down to Colors and down to Emboss. Then go to the radius and you can change it there as well, and rotation, or just interactively modify it. Click Apply. Then go to Composite Blue, go to Filters, down to Colors, and again down to Emboss. Again, interactively you can change it, move it backwards and forwards, but you can also click Apply, go to Layer and Fade Emboss. Now that works just for the blue channel, so I'm just going to use that, and you can modify that, change the blend modes, run through them, maybe go for linear light, or maybe go for pin light, soft light, up to you. Maybe add, click Apply. To go back to all the channels, just click there. And now you can see your design. Got a beautiful, colourful, blurred, sort of unusual design from any image. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.